Hi, welcome to another edition of Azure Every Day. My name is Bob Rabaki and I'm a consultant with Pragmatic Works. And today I want to talk about the difference between Azure Logic Apps and Azure Functions. And so if you're just getting started with these two, sometimes the difference between them can be a little bit confusing, and so I wanted to talk about where they kind of each fit in the ecosystem. I guess the simplest way to think about this is that an Azure Logic app, among other things, would call an Azure function. Okay, and so an Azure Logic app is a good way of orchestrating a sequence of tasks or activities. And so if you know that you need to do one thing before another thing calls, and then maybe that triggers another thing being executed, all of that type of orchestration would happen within a Logic app. Now, if you have some custom code or some business logic, perhaps written in .NET, that's where an Azure function typically would come into play. So you could write your code in an Azure function and deploy that, and then call your function with a Logic app. So if you're just getting started with these two, I would probably recommend starting to understand more about how Logic apps work at a high level and what they can do. And then from there, I think you'll find that you can basically extend what Logic apps can do if you have custom code in an Azure function. And so that's kind of the way I like to think about those two things at a very high level. They are related to each other in a way because, again, they integrate with each other, but they're kind of there for different reasons. So I hope you found this helpful. This is a quick one, but I think it's an important distinction to understand. If you have any questions about Logic apps, Azure Functions, the Azure Cloud Platform, please reach out to us and let us know. Thanks for watching.